Twice, like your back up. Like your back up, like your back up. Twice, dig it, dig it. Twice, dig it, dig it.
Hello? Baby. How are you now?
I'm fine. Baby, where are you?
I didn't inside plane. Yes, I'm inside plane now to Dubai.
Dubai? Inside plane? And you're receiving call?
Oh, my phone is a customized phone, you know now, I used to Raya. So you can receive call even inside plane. Sometimes I receive call inside CSF. Yes, it's a customized phone.
Babe, I can hear a dog barking at the background.
Dog? Sorry babe, that dog wey here, that dog now one American woman just come pay 3 seats for one dog. As we dey talk now, that dog now they take ice cream and get cigar for mouth. You know now American people they too they spend money. So inside the plane now the dog they on 2 seats like that. Him don't spray leg they scatter.
Dog taking cigar, sitting on 3 seats, taking ice cream. Okay. Oh. What about the turkey? I hear gobbling at the background.
Turkey? No, that turkey wey here, babe. That turkey for inside the plane. That turkey wey they say na Chinese children. No Chinese children they sabi cry. Now sometimes na Chinese pikin they cry. Sometimes they do like chicken sef. Sometimes you know Chinese children they cry like turkey. Some of them they cry like dog sef.
Chinese pikin cry like a turkey and chicken. Hey. What about the goat I'm hearing at the background?
Goat? Babe, that goat wey here na one man from Thailand. He chop something come jam in neck. Anan ya makale masa hadiyan tuwo ya makale masa moko mu i. Shine yake yana like goat. No worry. I beg no worry. Now one man from Thailand in there inside the plane dey my side say
Thailand ke. Hey, now wow. This your plane no be small thing o. Whatever sha. Babe, I'm coming to that your grandma's house. That one that you showed me.
my grandma's house.
Yes now, that your grandma's house, the one that you showed me.
That one where I show you. Jesus.
Any problem?
No problem. No problem. See, babe, if I just land for Dubai, immediately I'm landing from the plane. I'll just give you a call. Jesus. Is it a thing saying my mama also? Where I go hide myself, sir?
Baby, Jesus Christ, I hear me oh, baby. So you dey inside plane. Hey, na here be the Dubai. See me see liar. Don't bonzaki.
Sorry, babe. Now the plane landed. Obama say no travel. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching Mr. 007 Laugh Matter. I hope you enjoy it. See you next Saturday. We go do them again. And just a thought: make sure you live a clean life without lies. What is the essence of lying? Our guys, lying no they make sense. So we go do them again. See you next Saturday. Please click on the button, like our page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We go do them again.
People come and talk and do. Let me give it like you want it, girl. I know you like that. This how you doing that? Shorty, shake it, let me feel it. Like you're gonna dance. Let me see your boob bend.